Hello friends, we will start the unboxing of Redmi Note 6 Pro, which is the MI's best phone, India's top smartphone selling brand. So let's start. Okay, so let's start the unboxing. Here it's a packaging of Flipkart, which we need to first of all remove this one. After that, this one, oh my god, there is too much packaging there. Okay, let's remove this one. So I think, yeah, it opens from this one, like this way. Oh man, it's the killer phone. See, Redmi Note 6 Pro, and you can see that here clearly mentioned here, India's #1 smartphone brand, Xiaomi. Have you seen that? Here just we will see some specifications mentioned here. Here 20+2 portrait selfie. It has dual selfie camera. 12+5 dual camera, and it also has image stabilization, friends. It's a really best feature. And 19:9 aspect ratio display, 6.26 inches, and Snapdragon 636. Friends, the smartphone is quite disappointed because it has Snapdragon 636. Means it's not much that disappointed, but it's a repeated chipset. You know that Snapdragon's repeated chipset. But it's it's MI's first quad camera phone. It has 4 cameras, man. It's amazing. It's really amazing. It's stunning. Okay, first of all, see my t-shirt I have purchased from Flipkart yesterday. It's awesome, is it? So hit a like and subscribe to my channel. So first of all, we will do some unboxing of this one. So let's unbox this. First of all, we have to remove this. See here, here it has written, do not accept if series broken. So first of all, I just have to cut out this. And here we go. Here it's our smartphone. Okay, let's unbox this. Whoa! See this? It's my Redmi Note 6 Pro. See this, man. It has rose gold color. You can see that clearly. It's too much hot. Yeah, you can see its slimness. See? Some specifications are mentioned here. It's a Xiaomi's first quad camera phone. Some of you don't know about that meaning of quad camera, but I will tell you that quad camera means it has 4 cameras. Yes, this smartphone has 4 cameras. Here it has 2 cameras, which is first is a 12 megapixel and another one is 5 megapixel. The 5 megapixel has depth sensor. Here it's a fingerprint scanner. Yeah, and it has 4000 mAh. Yeah, huge big battery. 4000 mAh big battery, which is not removable. It's a trend now. And the 6.26 inches big notch display. Let's power it on. Here some specifications are mentioned here. First of all, we will remove its wrapper. Okay. Okay, it will boot up. We will see what is in the box. Okay, we will put this here. Here I will just, yep. So now we will remove this one. So let's check it out what is in the box. Yeah, typical Xiaomi style. Here it's adapter its rating is yeah, its rating is 5 volt 2 amps. See this. Okay, and here it's a normal USB to micro USB cord, which is Xiaomi's. Yeah, it's a USB to micro USB cord. We can see that. And the smartphone has still YOGESH 9, man. Still it has YOGESH 9. What the hell is this? First of all, we will set up this device. Here it's English India. Okay, I will set with this device. So how's this was? It's awesome. You can see this. See? It's awesome. Okay friends. Bye bye. Tata.